Hi, I'm Murray Eastern, Vice President of Sales at Omnia Leather. And today we're going to talk about our reclining motion product. I have a swivel reclining chair in front of me here that demonstrates some of the different features and benefits that we offer in our reclining motion product. The first thing I want to talk about is all the choices that you have with our Omnia reclining product. Not only do we offer over 150 different colors, we offer 20 different leather types. All of these leather types are top or full grain leathers. We don't use any split leather. We don't use any vinyl product anywhere on the chair. What you see on the backs and the seats is the same thing that we upholster on the arm panels, the outside panels, and the back panels. All of these panels are padded, and we utilize a hardwood frame with steel spring construction. And you can choose from several different mechanism choices. This particular chair has a swivel recliner feature. We also offer a stationary reclining chair and a swivel glider, which not only swivels as this chair does, but it also glides in a front to back motion as well. Now, this particular chair is a manually operated recliner. We also offer electrically power operated mechanism. And there are a couple differences between the two that I'll demonstrate as I'm going to show you how to utilize our reclining product. Now, we place the activating handle on the inside of the seat cushion next to the arm panel. We don't place the handle on the outside of the chair, so it makes it easy for you to utilize an end table in close proximity to the arm, so you don't have to separate the end table away from the chair to activate the mechanism. And we find that the chair is much more attractive without an unsightly and cumbersome looking handle on the outside. Now, with a manually operated mechanism, you merely pull back on the lever and activate the mechanism. Once you do that, you don't need to utilize the activating lever to operate and function the chair properly. Now, once you activate the chair, you're in what we call the incline position. The incline position is where you're going to utilize the chair most of the time. This is where you would watch TV, converse, read a book or magazine, and generally spend the most amount of time in this position. This is also the position that you need to be at in order to close the mechanism properly, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, from the incline position, this mechanism allows you to also fully recline the chair. It's easy to get to a full recline position with this mechanism because you don't have to use the handle in order to achieve that. All you need to do is place pressure against the back of the chair, which, as you can see, is easily achievable by just pressing against the back to get to a full recline position. Now, a common mistake with this mechanism in use that you'll attempt to close the mechanism from this position. As I mentioned earlier, you need to get back to the incline position. You cannot close the mechanism from a fully reclined position. So in order to achieve that, we recommend that you use the following cue to help you to get back to the inclined position. Rather than pulling on the arm panels and pulling on the chair and placing stress, all you need to do is reach for your knees with your hands, and that will bring your body forward and allow you to get back to the inclined position. So once again, easy to operate to a fully reclined position. Reach for your knees, touch your knees to get to a inclined position, and then that puts you in the position to be able to close the mechanism. So keeping your hands on your knees, all you need to do is place pressure on the footrest and close the mechanism. Now, with a power-activated mechanism, you would need to use the lever to actually close the mechanism. But with a manually operated mechanism like we have here, you merely place pressure on the footrest to close the mechanism. And that's the advantage of a manually reclining mechanism and how you operate it properly.